First Alert Weather.
So we've been sitting here with some pretty quiet conditions for our Monday. We have had a bit of a breeze, but we haven't seen anything too crazy. It was very windy yesterday as we had that storm system blow over eastern Idaho and western Wyoming with a few rain and snow showers, but most of that getting into the mountains. Now today we're sitting with 45 degrees outside, mostly cloudy conditions, winds down to 9 miles an hour. And we go to the Pocatello Farm Bureau Skycam where it's been a little gustier with those winds out of the south, keeping those temperatures closer towards 50 degrees. As we go east to the Tetons in Jackson, 37 degrees with plenty of sunshine, winds at 8 miles an hour. And over into Salmon, we've also had a fair amount of sunshine with a few clouds overhead. Now we're seeing overcast skies. It's been kind of hit and miss with that cloud cover today. 55 degrees with winds out of the south at 14 miles an hour. Rain and snow entering into the region, but you notice it's warmer outside, and yeah, we're going to see more of a springtime mix of rain and snow pushing in from the west coast. Granted, most of the heavy wet weather still getting into the mountains, but we have a long cold front that is stretching off the California coastline, and that's making its push inland for tonight and tomorrow. This area of low pressure continuing to deepen as we get into your Tuesday. We got that southwesterly component to the air that's pumping up the temperatures back into the 30s and 40s, with numbers still well above freezing for daytime highs, at least for the lower elevations. That means we're going to see more of a rain-snow mix, and a lot of this wet weather gets in here starting tomorrow afternoon. So tomorrow morning on your way to work and school, it's still going to be a fairly dry start to the day with the winds increasing throughout your Tuesday. They'll start to get some wet weather out towards Boise with some rain showers for the morning commute there in the Treasure Valley and some snow up in central Idaho closer towards McCall. And then we'll start getting some of that snow and rain closer towards us as we stretch it into the midday and the early afternoon. In fact, about 1 o'clock, that's going to be when we're starting to get some of that wet weather into eastern Idaho and the Snake River Plain. With a rain-snow mix, you see a lot of green on the map here indicating that rainfall. And then we'll have some of that trying to turn over to snow around dinner time Tuesday afternoon and into the early evening. But I'm still going to be counting on more of a rain-snow mix even for the afternoon hours tomorrow. Then as we go overnight into Wednesday, we're left with just a few pockets of light snow in our local mountains, some clouds in the Snake River Plain, and we'll try to see some clearing by Wednesday afternoon with a few pockets of light snowfall up towards the Continental Divide. I don't expect to see a lot of snow accumulation. In fact, I'm still counting on mostly rain for the Snake River Plain and snow in the higher elevations. There's still going to be some snow activity mixed in, but you'll notice that even in the mountains, this is going to be a fairly pitiful system in terms of snowfall amounts. But you can see here rainfall amounts are going to be getting back into those, I would say, hundredths or a few hundredths of an inch of precipitation as we go through the afternoon. So you can see those rainfall amounts starting to get up closer towards a tenth as we get closer towards the evening hours. So there's some rain mixed in with the snow. Now we'll go around the region. So the temperature is 44 for the high in Preston. I got you at 40 in Soda Springs. Numbers in Jackson at 45, 39 for Rexburg and St. Anthony tomorrow, with 38 in Island Park. Central Idaho, 51 for Challis, 37 in Mackay, 49 in Salmon, with numbers in the Plain in Idaho Falls at 42. Close to 50 for Pocatello, with temperatures around 50 for Burley. Lows tonight still getting below freezing. The winds will continue through Wednesday. And they'll have temperatures pushing into the upper 40s, low 50s by Friday and Saturday. There's another push of wet weather that's going to try to get in here for Sunday, but nothing major at this point. Rexburg, a high of 38 for Wednesday, 37 for Thursday, and we're into the 40s as we head into Friday and Saturday. There's a cold front that's going to push in on Sunday that's going to take you back down to the upper 30s. Jackson, a high of 37 for Wednesday, 38 for Thursday, and we're into the 40s for Friday and Saturday. We're seeing mostly cloudy conditions and some scattered snow and rain for this weekend, with dropping temperatures by Sunday. Salmon, a high of 39 for Wednesday with some wind, 44 and 46 for Thursday and Friday under mainly cloudy skies. Moving over to Pocatello with a high of 45 for Wednesday, a high of 50 for Friday, and we're into the mid-50s for Saturday. On Saturday, we're going to warm up to 54 degrees. Then we're going to drop it down to the mid-40s on Sunday with scattered snow and rain. And then over to Idaho Falls with highs here at 42 for tomorrow, 39 for Wednesday, temperatures into the upper 40s for Saturday, very close to 50 degrees. And then here comes a cold front on Sunday with some scattered hits of rain and snow and dropping temperatures in for the start of next week. For the next couple of days, I think the biggest nuisance here is going to be a bit of some rain and those gusty, pesky winds. We'll send it over to Todd.
Thanks, Michael. Tonight,